Hello, mamas and daddies, and thank you for coming to another episode of Miss Stormy Rose Angel's hair page. Today we are doing a very quick and easy style. So grab your comb and your brush, get your barrettes, and let's get right into it. So I like to start Stormy's hair with a fresh wash. I also like to moisturize the hair right after the wash, so that is what I'm doing. I'll make sure to add that product to the comment section. And we are going to take some time to start parting the hair. Parting can take the longest, but you want to make sure those lines are straight. So you'll see that I'm taking extra time to make sure those parts are on point. The beauty of this style is that I'm not pulling my daughter's hair all into one ball or putting her hair straight up to the top. The sections allow the hair to breathe, and it allows each section to be pulled so that it's not too tight. So I think it's important to take that in, especially when you have a daughter or a child that has short and curly hair. And if you guessed it, no, parting is not always fun, but it must be done. Now that I have the hair fully sectioned, I am going to use the one brush to actually get her curls straightened, and then I'm going to do the tighter ponytail holders to make sure they hold. So if you've watched my other videos, you know that I use two brushes for my daughter's hair. One with bristles on it so that I can actually comb through her hair. The other is for her edges and to really lay them down. So now we are actually going to get into the twist. So I'm going to do about 4 twists on each top pony. And you can either do twists or braids. Twists are easier. Braids stretch the hair out longer. So it's up to you and whatever you decide to do. But I just chose to do the twist, which actually did kind of curl up tighter on the hair by the time I was finished. So I'm going to quickly go through the opposite side and do the same exact thing that I did on the side that is complete. So for these back two ponies, I'm just twisting them out and then circling them around and putting a bow red at the end. I think it's safe to say that you can definitely do the same style that you did in the front, where you twist and then add the barrettes at the end. I specifically just wanted something super quick and easy, so I decided not to do it that way. And there you have it, a quick and super fun and easy style that you can do on your baby's hair. Take all the tips that I've given if you want it to look different. I'd love any feedback that you have to give. Don't forget to drop some love on this video with a share, a comment, a like, or subscribe. We have plenty of more hairstyles to show you in the near future. Until we see you again next time, goodbye.
Baby.